Plenty of room to entertain on a quiet and peaceful street. Watch out or you'll fall in love with this spacious 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms and 2-car garage home with over 2,200 total square footage. The floor plan allows you to enjoy family and friends in a large living area that opens up to the enclosed lanai for more space to entertain. Infuse your home with savory smells of gourmet cooking from the huge kitchen area with quality appliances that allow space for a breakfast nook and a formal dining area. Rest to your heart's content with a master bedroom ensuite with large walk-in closet, dual sinks, garden tub and separate shower plus 2 other bedrooms. Inside laundry for your convenience. This home features storm shutters on all double-paned windows, reinforced garage door and PB50 portable generator outlet/interlock kit for you to purchase the generator of your choice, 2009 roof and 2013 HVAC with its warm sense of community, and only moments to shops, eateries, schools and medical centers. This home provides all the elements for relaxing, comfortable and easy care living. View this home today and make your plans to stay.